I am fascinated with the human brain because it is important to our success or failures in life. There are regions within the brain that work as center of control of behavior and learning. In the oil sand industry, control and behavior are factors that are essential for controlling or eliminating hazardous conditions. Anatomy and philosophy teaches that we have over 100 billion neurons in our brain. Each of these neurons has between 5,000 and 50,000 connections to other neurons, which would suggest that within the brain's cerebral cortex there is over 1 quadrillion neuron connection or network of neurons, communicating and providing biological information that are the key to healthy living. Our frontal lobe located within the cerebral cortex, and gives us the ability to think, reason, and make intelligent decisions as we plan our daily activities. Our lifestyles practices can indeed affect our temperament, our ability to focus, provide emotional stability and activate our mental alertness, eliminate negative thought that could complicate our abilities to be productive and dictate the process of our working and learning ability. Let me take you on a biological tour of the brain to explain why our success in the oil sand depends on a healthy mind and body. Researchers have now believed the cerebral cortex has the ability to generate new brain cells in the area known as the hippocampus. The cerebral cortex actually expands as we develop over time from toddler to adult. By understanding the functions of our brain, we can improve our performance at home and at work, develop better social skills as we interact with other people, be more responsible and productive member in our working community and society. Most of our problem in our world is caused by negative thinking and behavior that defeat our ability to take control of our physical and mental skills. Do you know that our entire brain weighs between 2 and 4 pounds, and made up of nearly 60% fat, and requires 25% of the energy supplied to our mind-body? The 25% energy allows the brain to perform at its optimum capacity as we navigate the complex terrains of life. Millions of brain cells function in our cortex to relay information electrically and chemically and result in our ability to think, move, experience challenging and competitive new ideas, which allows us to express our emotion, which directs our attention. Our cortex is the most sophisticated part of our brain given to us by our Creator. It gives us the ability to think and makes intelligent decisions. Our brain has two distinct regions known as the right and left hemisphere, and there are 2 lobes for each region. Each of the lobes is related to distinct behaviors, and there are regions of the brain where overlapping responsibilities occur. These areas are referred to as association areas. Our frontal lobe is the largest of the entire lobes, sitting just behind our forehead. It is about 33 to 38% of the brain's capacity. The frontal is what causes human to be different from the animal kingdom and allow us to perform at a higher level. Our lobes are highly complex and specialized and are designed to help with the control of many different and important skills and ability to succeed in technical trainings that are related to the oil sand industry. These lobes include the occipital lobe and parietal lobe, which process visual stimuli that control sensory organs, the temporal lobes, which process auditory stimuli. Parietal lobes where interpretation and integration of sensory stimuli occur. Just behind the forehead are the frontal lobes where higher level of thinking, problem solving, and planning for the future occurs. Somewhere within the entire cerebral cortex lies our ability to be consciously aware of what we are thinking and doing, complex activities that can lead to health and wealth. Within the cerebral cortex are other structures such as the amygdala, the hippocampus, and the thalamus. They are involved in processing of emotion and memory. The building blocks of our body are cells. The brain has 2 different kinds of cells: nerve cells, or neurons, and glial cells. Glial cells, which greatly outnumber neurons, during development and structure. They assist in providing the nutrients for the neuron. Our neurons process information. We can't grow new neurons, but we can grow new connections between neurons, and these connections create learning and memory. Each nerve cell talk to each other, so to speak. They act like a relay station, receiving signals from other cells, processing the signals, and sending them to other cells across tiny gaps called synapses. They produce chemicals called neurotransmitters, neuro, meaning mind, transmit, meaning send. The neurotransmitter is produced in the cell body terminals and stored in little sacs down in the axon terminals. When a neuron fires, an electrical impulse moves down the axon and stimulates those little sacs, and chemicals move to the surface, break open, and transmit their contents into the gap between the axon terminal and the dendrite of neighboring cell. Matthew, cancer and stroke patient whose Ph.D. was obtained at 65, asks you to help him raise awareness of health issues by sharing this valuable information. Please take the time to subscribe to and like this video.